This right here is a beginners friendly paid strategy you can actually go on to using to do CPA marketing right here. As you can see, I've actually started making some cool cash right here in today's revenue just by using this simple strategy. And if you do watch this video to the end, you actually go on to learning this exact same strategy and actually replicating that to make similar amounts to how I actually made right here on CPAGrip. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with other AI tools. So make sure you do go on to watching those such kinds of videos if you do like them right there, and ensure that you do go on to subscribing to the channel, turn on your notification bell on all so that I do alert you whenever I release such cool and amazing videos that will be helpful to you in making extra income online. So jumping right back into today's video, you want to just simply come onto this platform called CPAGrip and go on to registering for an account by clicking on this register icon. And this is going to be an easy way or easy sign up process right here. You just want to make sure you go on to providing these details right now for the fields that are actually having these red asterisk signs. Once you do that right here, agree to the terms of services and click on register. Your account can actually be created almost immediately, and you want to then just simply go on to log in into your account. So right now guys, I'm back into my account. You could come onto this section right here and actually go on to clicking on the offer tools, which will be shown this drop down arrow. Select my offers and you should be brought to a page such as this. Right now you want to just simply go on to selecting offers from a top tier country such as the United States, Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and other top tier countries right there, as it is quite easy to go on to getting conversions to your CPA marketing offers to such countries. Right now I'm just going to come right here and I'm just going to select the United States. If I do select that right now guys, as you can see, the pages that actually, or the page that's actually loaded up, I can then just simply go on to scrolling through and actually select a cool sweepstake offer which I can go on to promoting right now. So I'm first of all going to promote this offer or filter the offer based on payout. This is actually a very cool offer for you to go on to directing people to install and start their trial with the VPN Lumos app. And if they do that guys, you do get paid $1.79 for every successful lead which you do get right now. So basically you want to just simply select an offer which is a sweepstake offer. This is actually an example of a cool sweepstake offer for my leads to actually go on to standing a chance to earn $25,000 in cash right now. And guys, you could just simply use this to your preference right now or to your advantage, and you can actually see more details about the offer. There's an Apple iOS offer, also an email and zip submit offer. The payout of the offer is $1.15. Here's your unique affiliate link which you could use to promote this offer right now. So what I'm going to do is to actually go to downloading this image right here. You can download this image right now on your device if you do want to download that. And once that image has been downloaded, you could leave this page open and head on to our traffic source right now. And our traffic source is going to be this platform right here, which is called the propellerads.com. And we're actually going to be using a very unique strategy right now in Propeller Ads to go on to promoting our offers. What you want to do is to come onto this platform and actually go on to signing up for absolutely free right now. So if you do go on to signing up for this particular platform for free by clicking on start, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. If you want to just simply fund your account, come right here, click on add funds, and you can actually go on to this section right here where you want to just simply fund your account based on any one of this payment plan. As you can see, the payment plan involves the bank card, the Union Pay, PayPal, Skrill, and Add Cash. And if you actually do pay right now, you can then just simply go on to running a simple campaign on this platform. If you do head on to clicking on create campaign, you should actually be brought to a very cool page right now which you can actually go on to using to promote your CPA marketing offer. As you can see right now, the page is still loading up. Once you're actually brought to this page, you want to then just simply go on to filling out these details right now to your preference right here. So basically guys, I'm just going to come right here. Maybe I'm going to head back to my CPA marketing offer, copy the link address to that particular offer, and actually do head back to Propeller Ads to go on to paste in that right in there. So once that has actually been done, you want to select the advertising format which you want to just simply go on to using. I'm going to leave this on the on clicks pop under, you can actually do throughout other social media platforms out there. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually go on to selecting the direct link right now for or direct click for my traffic type. You can actually do select both of them, but I do want to just simply use the direct link also. And right now guys, you could then just simply go onto the pricing model section, and with this pricing model section you want to just simply leave this as it is right here, as you can actually do leave it on the CPA goal or the smart CPM or the CPM, and those are actually quite ways bidding model you could actually go to selecting or pricing model right there. And for this particular target URL, you want to paste in the URL to your CPA marketing offer in that particular section. So I'm just going to head back to my CPA marketing platform, copy that link, head back to Propeller Ads right now and do paste in that particular link right here. But guys, if you can actually create a landing page first of all before going on to pasting in the link right here, maybe you do create a simple landing page for this particular same offer and actually go on to uploading that, you will actually find out that is quite better right now. And if you do that guys, we can then actually do head on to the next step. And the next step will be to come right here and click on this click ID, as this actually adds an ID right now to the end of this your target URL right now. So you want to just simply come right here, as you can see right here, the countries and conversion price which you want to just simply focus on. I'm going to go on to selecting the United States right now. If I just select that, for the CPA goal in dollars, you want to just simply go on to inserting that right in this particular section. So I can actually do go on to inserting maybe a little amount right now in that particular section right there. So if I do put in something such as this right now, you can actually do go on to selecting the cities which you want to just simply go on to targeting in that particular United States location right there. You could actually do fixing that section. You could also go on to maybe filtering by state, and if you do that guys appropriately, you actually do go on to seeing or getting a lot of cool stuff right now which you could go on to using. And right here you could go on to this advertising budget right now, and for this budget section, supposing you want to just simply go on to running your ad for some days, or you don't want your ad to actually go on to exceeding a specific amount right now each and every single day, you can actually do go on to inserting that in this budget section right here. And guys, supposing you want to just simply run an ad on this platform, if you do come onto this advertising budget, you actually do find out that the daily budget section right here has a minimum of $30 right now. So if I do put in something like $20, you can see right here that you actually do have to put in a minimum of $30 right now. So if I do go on to changing this right here to about $30 right here, that has actually been acceptable. For the total campaign budget, you want to just simply go on to fix in that right here in this section. It depends on how many days you want to just simply go on to running your ad right here. So supposing I want to run my ad for about, let me say the last 5 days or 5 days right now, you can actually do that right here, which is multiplying 300 times 5, and that's actually going to give me about $150 right now. For the targeting platform guys, you want to select either the mobile or desktop, and you can actually do use that to your preference right here. So I'm just going to come right now guys and actually do go on to selecting the mobile right here. And if I do select the mobile right now guys, for the OS, I'm actually going to select the particular OS that is suitable to that offer, because if you do go back to check on CPAGrip right here, you actually do find out that this offer is an Apple iOS offer and also an email and zip submit offer. And if I do head back to Propeller Ads, I can then just simply select the OS right now, which is the iOS, and once that is done, for the OS version, you could actually skip all this particular section right now. And once you do skip all this section guys, you want to just simply go on to fill out the section which you can fill right here based on your preference. And if you do fill out all this section appropriately, for this section which says collect an audience for retargeting, you want to just simply change this to collect users who complete conversions in my computer, and you can actually do that right here. So guys, if you do actually select this collect user who completed conversions in this campaign, this can actually do help you right here, because you can actually help you right there in the future to go on to running a simple survey exit campaign right here, where you can actually do engage your audience, or your audience pre-engage with your surveys and ready to convert right now. You could actually do gain access to that. But heading back to this section, that is why we actually did select the click ID right here. heading back to this particular section, you want to just simply go on to inputting the country's conversion price right in here. And if you do put in that particular section, maybe I'm just going to scroll back to that particular section where we were right now. And right here, guys, you want to put in your OS version, fill out your details, and actually do go on to this particular section where you want to just simply fill out this form appropriately. And if you do fill out this form appropriately, if you want to use a proxy, you can also use that right in here. But just simply take out much of your time to do what you want to do right now. So you could just simply collect an audience for retargeting right here, and make sure you do select this like I showed you earlier. Right now in the audience name, you can actually do select one right here in this particular section. And once you're done, you want to just simply head on to this section, click on I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guideline. And if you do that, guys, you can then just simply click on start campaign once your account has actually been funded. And this will actually help you go on to getting your CPA marketing offers to a lot more individuals right now, and actually help you go on to making money with this simple strategy. And this is actually a very cool beginner paid ad platform which you can go on to using right now and make a lot of money online with CPA marketing right now. So guys, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button to this video if this video was helpful. Also subscribe to this channel and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all, guys, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.